So I decided to do a little video on how to backtest using TradingView. TradingView is actually quite a good program to do backtesting with, mainly because of the fact that you can use your own indicator set and just start doing a replay without having to redo all your charts and settings. So hope you can learn something from it and enjoy. Alright, so this is my backtesting setup. On the left hand side there is a TradingView instance open, and on the right hand side there's a separate TradingView instance open. On the right hand side you'll see only the daily time frame, which I'm going to keep there, and on the left hand side there is euro pound, euro dollar and pound dollar on let's say the entry time frames I will be choosing. I will be backtesting a strategy that I'm using, which is basically trading from a 4-hour fair value gap or a 1-hour fair value gap. But this video is mainly focused on how you would approach doing a backtest. The good thing about backtesting with TradingView is that you can use yeah, your own set of indicators that you like to trade with, and then just start the replay session. So to start the session, you're going to hit replay trading here and then launch bar replay, or you have a button here that also will give you the start of the session. Next is you'll select a date. I usually select a date here. For example, you go into March 2022, March 7th, 2022 on Monday. Select. Now these will disappear. Do the same for this screen. Select date, March 7th, 2022. Select, and these all will also disappear sort of. So next up is you can just rearrange your screen again so that you can see both the all the price action again. Here we are. So for sake of this video, I swapped around the pound dollar and euro dollar because I'm going to be focusing this backtest on euro dollar. What is important now is that the daily time frame is 1 day behind. So I fast forwarded to the next day, which is the Tuesday, the 8th of March, and here you can see Monday, the 7th of March. So now we can start the backtest. So what is important about this backtest is that I have a bias, and in this case, I would say I would opt for a bullish bias because I think it's yeah, ready for a retracement because it just dipped into this weekly fair value gap, and so I would be I think looking for a bullish setup. So this is the start of the yeah, back test. So as you can see, it was indeed a really good yeah, bullish move, but I didn't want to take it because there is no higher time frame or 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gap that is that I'm trading from. So I would not take this trade in a real life situation and just continue and wait for one of these gaps to appear. Now it's already late in the day, so and there you have a bullish 1 hour fair value gap, which is the blue zone here. So I would say, yeah, wait for a bullish setup here, but the thing is, it's already really late in the day, so I'm going to skip this day and not take a trade. Definitely, this could have been a good. I think a lot of people would have been, yeah, okay with taking a long trade here. Anyway, I didn't do that. So we'll move on to the next day. The way we do that is to just click on this side of the screen for the next day. There we go. And so yeah, it indeed became a green candle, and we touched this 1 day fair value gap here. So for the next day, I think a continuation of a retracement is likely. However, I would be definitely looking out for a real good bearish setup as well. But looking at what happened during the night, I think a bullish trade could be wise to look for here. Um, I would want to see another 1 hour value gap being created, as these are already being used, let's say. So either we make a good sweep here and then continue higher, or we continue higher, making a new 1 hour value gap retracement and then go long. Okay, so it does the scenario 2, and now we just need a new 1 hour value gap, which it did right now. Now the thing is, it's now already so high that I might not see any retracement. Okay, there we have the retracement, which is in a new 1 hour value gap. So we're still around noon, so I could potentially look for a bullish setup here. This could become a bullish setup for me because we're trading off this 1 hour value gap. So to me, that's a market structure shift, good enough, and it also leaves gaps. So let's see what happens. Get a retracement. I buy here, stop loss there, and what would be my draw on liquidity? I don't have any at the moment. It would be really high up here. So, and that's quite yeah, difficult point to reach. So I'm going to choose for a 2R trade. Basically, so that's three. It doesn't really matter the how much or the volumes. It's just about you know, the results in the end. So I'm going to take the trade there and see what happens. And we reach the target of 2R. And TradingView will then yeah, start administrating the trades for you. It's going to continue the session here. This is going to just continue until the next day. So we choose here, and we're going to go for the next day. So huge, yeah, bullish daily candle, which to me is a yeah, a reason to believe that it's going to continue higher. So the next draw on liquidity would be somewhere around here. And so I'll be looking for a bullish trade like that, and see if it yeah, happens. So we're gonna move to the left side of the screen again and see what happens after the Asian session. Okay, so definitely in this case I would be looking for a sweep, preferably this zone, and then take a bullish trade. So let's see what happens. There we are. There's a good sweep right there. Gotta look out for the bearish trade here. So I'm going to just go ahead and skip more candles. That's a crazy candle right there. I would love to take that as an entry, but there's no bullish market structure shift. just going to wait for the market structure shift. A lot of volatility. Another sweep. Now we do have a market structure shift, which will appear shortly, I think. There it is. So I would definitely say, okay, this is a reason to go for a long. So I just press buy, and then. So in this next part of the video, I'm going to be fast forwarding and doing some more back testing. So I hope you learned something from it. Enjoy. Around a 2-hour trade again. Just go ahead and start the replay again. Boom. A lot of volatility on that day, which is important. Inflation rate here coming up. So another winner trade. So the next step would be to click on the historical data trading tab and then just export your data. Then yeah, you can analyze your performance. So that's how I use TradingView as backtesting software. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope you've learned something. So let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.